Imagine managing your entire project with just your voice. With Monday.com, it's possible. Sidekick AI acts as your digital partner, instantly craft boards, summarizing project updates, identifying risks, and even providing solutions to mitigate them. It can even schedule meetings and can send emails. Well, and the best part, you don't even have to type, just speak and let AI do the work. Let's start by understanding the AI capabilities and the role of AI-powered blocks in processing data and triggering AI automation to achieve the desired results without manual intervention. Let's dive in.
AI capabilities in Monday.com are designed to automate work, generate insights, and reduce manual effort across projects, workflows, and teams. Leverage these AI capabilities to instantly summarize project status, identify risks, and prioritize actions. Think of it as adding a smart assistant directly into your work management system. Monday.com integrates native AI capabilities to enhance productivity. We will cover a selection of them today. Before we continue, let's look at how to enable or disable these AI features on any account. Access the administration menu via your profile image in the top right. Then select customization from the left-hand panel, then click Features. Scroll down to the Enable or Disable AI Features section to turn the setting on or off. By default, the setting is on. Switch the toggle to the off position. Refresh your browser or click the back button to return to the Monday Work Management home screen. The Monday AI section is no longer visible there. Turn the toggle back on to activate the AI features. Navigate back to the home screen and the Monday AI section should be visible now. AI star icon. Look for the AI star icon to identify where AI is active or available throughout the Monday platform. Note the AI star icon on these text and number columns. We will demonstrate how to apply AI functionality to a column later in this tutorial. The Monday Sidekick also features a star icon. Click the plus add column button to explore more AI supported column options. Click more columns, then go to the AI powered section on the center screen. Select from the predefined columns in this section. We will select the sentiment detection feature and explore its functionality in a while. An AI star icon also appears next to this AI-powered column. Let's start by examining how AI blocks work in Monday.com. AI blocks serve as the foundation for all AI-powered features on Monday.com, including AI columns and AI automations. Beyond the predefined AI columns mentioned earlier, AI functionality can be applied to other columns as listed below. We will apply this to a numerical column to demonstrate how to access AI-powered actions. Open the three-dot menu in any column. In our scenario, we will select the column numbers as shown. Click the three dots next to the new column, choose AI-powered actions, and select Autofill this column. Choose a suggestion from the list, or click Refresh to see new options. Users can also craft their own custom prompts. Go back to the autofill suggestions, choose Estimate Task Effort, and check the results. Effort estimation goes beyond simple timeline-based calculations. Task priority and current status are also factored into the hour estimation. While weekends are not currently excluded, we will configure the custom action box to skip them in the effort estimation. You can watch the numerical columns update in real time, driven by user actions and AI insights. Don't forget to click Save and Apply button. Saving the action may trigger AI insights to recalculate efforts based on updated status values and other factors. Hover over each cell and see how tooltips provide transparency into AI calculated effort, highlighting key contributing factors. By choosing the Customize option shown, this action can be refined anytime. Navigate back to the board, and now one can also see the column transformed into AI-powered columns identified by a star icon. Let's explore another example by incorporating a sentiment detection column powered by predefined AI functionalities. Click on the plus add column button and select more columns. In the AI-powered section, select the sentiment detection. After adding the column to the board, a sentiment detection window will automatically appear as shown below. We will designate the Updates column to undergo AI Insights analysis regarding its content and data. When you select Updates in the drop-down, the system automatically fetches text from the Updates column and analyzes it using an AI sentiment model. Based on data analysis, the model calculates sentiment scores to classify text as positive, negative, neutral, or other derived categories. Include any other relevant derived categories for your sentiment column status as shown. Upon clicking Save and Apply, the AI Insights tool will analyze the Updates column and reassign labels according to the sentiment model. One can verify if the sentiment status can be validated using the data within the Updates column. This is marked negative due to resource shortages. Correspondingly, the task status is listed as Stakeholder Engagement due to a delay in assigning resources from other projects as specified in the updates. When a task's update column is updated, such as assigning resources and marking it in progress, automation triggers and AI Insights automatically apply the most suitable label. Let's switch to Monday Sidekick. It's an intelligent, natural language interface that understands the context of your work, your boards, items, tasks, updates, and connected tools, and helps you get things done without leaving the platform. It delivers tailored business insights and actions by leveraging your Monday.com data and integrations, such as Gmail, Slack, and calendars, ensuring responses are never generic. How to use Monday Sidekick for AI-powered work. You can engage Monday Sidekick in several ways. When you open AI Sidekick from the left navigation panel, you're using it at the account level. This gives you a central AI chat interface, mini home, that can access multiple boards, docs, and teams and understand your entire workspace structure. Let's derive the progress across different boards by asking questions like, show project status among different boards and specify board names as shown. Here is a quick update on requested boards, highlighting current status, key issues, and required actions. Let's move forward with creating the risk register plan. Sidekick AI will generate a report highlighting critical, high-risk items requiring immediate attention with proposed solutions. Save the document by clicking on Save as Doc button. Saving the document will add it to the workspace. In the previous section, we've already pulled progress using the board using Sidekick. The next step is to leverage this risk register document to create a visual representation of the risks categorized by impact. You can reference boards and docs directly in chat. Newly created documents or boards might not appear immediately. If you don't see them, please refresh your browser. The Sidekick feature automatically analyzes the data to generate the pie chart shown below. With external integrations at place, Sidekick allows you to send Slack messages, fetch data from Gmail, Outlook, manage Google Calendar, and conduct web searches. Let's see with an example how Sidekick operates as an AI agent, leveraging Google Calendar integration directly in Monday.com. First, create an automation rule which will integrate your Google Calendar to your Monday.com boards to automatically sync, update, and manage your events. During rule setup, you will be prompted to select which board fields appear in the Google Calendar meeting. After creating the rule, update any item on the board to trigger the automation. Running the automation rule will create a Google Calendar meeting and simultaneously generate a new Google Calendar column containing the meeting link. Click the link to confirm the meeting is scheduled in Google Calendar. Now that the Google Calendar rule is configured, we will demonstrate how Sidekick AI leverages this integration to automate meeting scheduling through basic commands. Navigate back to home screen and open a new Sidekick AI chat window. Give a command to schedule a call for next Tuesday at 10:30 a.m. You may see a message stating, Sidekick can't schedule a call right now. We encountered this issue because the Google Calendar feature was not enabled for the Sidekick. In the chat window, go to Manage Skills, Enable Google Calendar, and use the same command to schedule your meeting. Depending on its analysis, the AI Sidekick will either schedule the meeting directly or request further details. Continue sharing information until the objective is reached. Once details are finalized, Sidekick will request approval to schedule the meeting. The AI can intelligently identify any other optional information before scheduling, but I'm choosing to create the meeting now with all the required information already provided. It again asked for approval to set up the meeting as shown. Upon approval, the meeting will be scheduled in the calendar. Verify the meeting details by opening the event in Google Calendar. Next is using Monday AI Sidekick to analyze the entire board. Click the top right AI star to activate the Monday Sidekick for board-wide tasks. Inside the board, you can also find this AI feature under the Updates section and under Column Actions as shown. Over here, you can use the Sidekick feature to generate AI-powered results in this specific column. Go back to the Sidekick for the entire board and generate the weekly summary insight as shown. After analysis, this Monday AI feature provides a comprehensive progress overview, highlighting critical tasks, milestones, blockers, and a concluding summary. Please be aware that using Sidekick to regenerate the report might change both the wording and the layout. Let's create onboarding tasks for the project initiation group with specific deadlines and review the results generated by Sidekick. With this command in Sidekick, one can see multiple onboarding tasks have been added to our initiation phase. The Sidekick feature proactively prompts for additional details on new tasks, which I then prioritized by setting up the priority. Next, I assigned data to the status and sentiment detection column. As shown earlier in this tutorial, the sentiment detection values are assigned automatically based on internal insights of that particular task. Currently, new tasks are assigned only a one-day timeline. Let's use this command to change them to a date range instead. You can observe live that dates are automatically converted to a date range, and this, in turn, updates the values in the numeric columns, which represent the individual task's effort in hours. This number field was able to calculate the effort automatically because it was converted into an AI-powered column, and the automation rule was applied earlier in this session to calculate the effort. Next is voice mode in Sidekick. Sidekick Voice allows hands-free, natural language interaction, boosting your productivity. Voice mode gives the ability to talk to Sidekick instead of typing. In the Message Sidekick window, first click the voice recording icon, then ensure the Sidekick feature is enabled. Voice the command, "What are my overdue tasks?" This command will display a list of all outstanding tasks. Beyond delivering desired results, this AI feature suggests necessary follow-up actions. This voice mode feature not only displays the results, but will also read them aloud along with the suggestions. Given the current situation, I sent a voice note with the new future dates for the timeline column and set the status of the overdue tasks to "in progress." As requested, the AI updates both the timeline and status of the task. Let's give one more command to pull out the list of items which are on hold. Internal reasoning and AI analysis will generate the final output. As expected, the voice mode enables the retrieval of all on-hold tasks on this board. That's all for now. In next tutorial, I will cover more AI capabilities of Monday.com. In the meantime, don't forget to go back on the channel and see other Monday.com and other project management tools tutorials.